So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question. And this is the question from today's contest. Minimum operations to make median of an array equals to k. So in this question, we are given an array and the integer k, and we need to make it so that the median of the given array becomes equals to k. And we need to return the minimum number of operations we are required to do this conversion. Now, what kind of operations we can do? We can increment or decrement any element of the array by no. So the question is very straightforward. So let us see how we can approach it. So if this is the example, so first of all, what we will do, we will try to sort it. Yes. First of all, we will sort it and find the existing median. First of all, we will sort it and find the existing median of the array. Now, in this case, what is the existing median? It is 5. Now, what we need to do? We need to make it 4. And we can do it by, yes, and we can do it by either incrementing or decrementing any value from the array. So clearly, there can be 3 cases. Clearly, once I know the median of my existing array, there can be 3 cases. If my median, which is ARR of mid index, which is median is nothing but the element at index n by 2, is greater than k, or it is less than k, or it is equal. Now, if it is equal, then there is no need to do anything. We can simply return 0 because they are already equal. But what if it is greater or it is less than? See, we have a sorted array. And if this condition says, according to this condition, my existing median is greater than k. Now, what I know that the elements to the right of my this median will be even more greater than k. Will be even greater than k. So what I will try to do is I will try to go to left. Yes, I will try to go to left of that median and convert them into smaller numbers such that I finally have this middle index as my k. Because if I try going right side and convert them, then this difference will be greater. Since my ARR of median is already greater, so I don't want to go to more bigger elements. I want that my elements to increase. So what I will do, I will go into left side. I will go left side and decrement these numbers. Decrement how much? Decrement so that they become just equals to k. That will be in. Yes. And similarly, if my existing median is less than k, then what I will do? I will go rightwards. I will go rightwards and increase the mid index. I will go rightwards and increase the mid index. And this will be my number of steps which I will be taking. So let us see a dry run in this. So I have this. Now this k is less than, just a second. This k is less than this. So there is no point in going rightwards because this is already less than this. So what I will try to do, I will try to make it 4. So I will make it 4 and answer will be added by 1. Then I will also try to make it. Now this is already smaller than k, so there is no need. So my final array will be 2, 4, 4, 6, 8. Yes. For example, in this one, So this one, my k is greater. So what I will do, I will try to move rightwards, converting this 6 to 7 and this 8 to 7. See, because these are already smaller, so converting them to something like this will take higher cost. So we are doing this. So yeah, guys, this was all. Thank you so much, guys. Like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. We shall see you next time.